Alright, so in this video I'm gonna show you the how to make this piece, okay? So yep, I'm gonna start from a draft, okay? From a sketch, I got it from the internet just to practice around with me. What else can I say? Well, we're gonna start from zero and we're gonna move on to achieve this result here, okay? Uh, what else can I say? If you have a piece that you wanna see me make it, just leave comments here in YouTube. If you want to download this piece, I'm probably gonna leave some links in YouTube. Probably, I'm not so sure. What else can I say? Well, just have fun with it. If you have mistakes around, just be patient and try it again and again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's move on to this lesson here, okay? This tutorial. Alright, so we're gonna make this piece in this tutorial, okay? So we have three views here, a section view, and isometric and a front view, okay? So it's a angular rod, okay? So let's get a shot here. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna start with two construction circle. One we're gonna place those two holes here, and the second one is gonna help us with this one again. So let's try here. I'm gonna make a new part here. I'm gonna go front plane and go sketch, okay? And so we're gonna make two circles, okay, for construction. Mark them for construction, okay, and another one, and again mark it for construction. And let's see the size here. Okay, so we have a radius 70 of the first one. So let's okay, and the second one is 135. Okay, and we also know the distance here. Okay, so let's make three construction lines, and gonna help us. That's one. Well, we probably gonna need just okay. That's one, and another one here, and we're gonna make another one here, and also we know that all of them are for construction, okay? So let's mark them for construction here, and we also need the angle here, which is 120, I believe. Okay. and okay, that's good here. Let's see, we have 3 circles, okay, with a radius of 9.5, okay, so let's make those. So 9.5, okay, let's first one here, all of them are equals, okay, so we're gonna make them equals after we sketch them, okay, so make them equal, and I'm gonna say 9.5, okay, so that's that here. We okay, you're gonna make you're gonna make few lines here, okay, for the margins here. Let's see. Okay, one more here. Just be careful to don't add relationship, just pay attention when you make those lines here. And okay, that's good. We know that those are coincident, so let's make those here. Okay, again, be careful with the relationship. Okay, let's make this again coincident and something like that. Okay, okay, so something like that. Here we gonna need 3 arcs here, so let's I'm gonna go with the tangent arc. So make it tangent, and its radius is 4 again. So let's mark that. Okay, let's go with the other one. Know that it's tangent here, and radius of 20, okay. gonna make it coincident, and we need some dimension for so some measure for those arcs. Wait, we're gonna do it soon. Okay, so let's make the third one, which we know that it's also tangent on both ends. Okay, so make sure that we have those arcs tangents, and this one I believe is 50, I think. The radius of 50, okay. And we're gonna make again coincident, and now we're probably gonna need 3 lines here. So we have we have one line here for construction that points here, and okay, so let's try maybe with let's see, where is that thing? Mirror or no mirror, linear, circular. Okay, I'm gonna go with circular patterns here. I'm gonna say 360. Okay, and I'm gonna go with 3. Not sure if that works, but let's see. Um, no, probably. I don't think it's a good idea, or we already have those. Okay, so no, I'm gonna exit that. We need the distance from here to the center. Okay, but we are not so sure about the tangency of those, but probably are tangent. Okay, here, not so sure, but so we know the distance from the center to this one, but we don't have a construction line here that represent this line here. And I'm also looking for some angles. We also know this is 90, 120 from here to here. Okay, so one angle here, but we don't know the angle of this one. Okay, so let's make those tangent here, and we're gonna see what we're gonna happen. I believe that those are tangent. Well, I think I'm not so sure. Let's make them tangent, and okay, so we need some dimension to hold those circles. Okay, so we have it say it's 24. Not like I said, I'm not exactly sure what is what here. So we have one dimension here, another one here, and another one here, from here to here. And let me take a look here. Probably no, I don't have any details here, but I believe well, I'm not so sure, but I think the um, the construction line that is here. Okay, I think that is on the same line, okay, with this one here. So let's try to make a construction line. Okay, so let's make a construction line here, and I'm gonna make it for construction, and I'm gonna say that it's parallel with this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's leave it like that for the moment. And we need 3 of those lines. I'm gonna go like that. And I'm gonna say okay with that. Okay, so we need the distance from here to here. It says that it's 24. Okay, that's one here. And let's take a look. Okay, so yeah, it's 24 again here, but we have, okay, now I see that, so that is on the same line with that, and this is this. Okay, so we're gonna move it, you're gonna delete some lines here, and we're gonna make another line, another construction line, but we're gonna say that well, you can place it on the circle here for the same thing with this one. Okay, just to stay organized. And I'm gonna say that this for construction, and we also gonna say that this one and this one it's parallel. Okay, and we also know the distance from those, which is 24 again. And okay, that's one here. So we're gonna need another one here, another line here, again for construction. So we're gonna make it for construction here. And you have anyway, you have other types of line that you can make and be for construction. Okay, so we're gonna say again that this line and this line we're gonna make it again parallel, and we're gonna say the distance of those are 24. Okay, and let's take a look again at the scheme here. Okay, so let's also make the another line. for those two and this one. Okay, so don't have the distance here, so let's make another construction line, and we're gonna say that this time is on the same line or parallel with that. And I'm gonna say again for construction, and I'm gonna see it's only for here. And we also need another one for this one, so let's make another one here and say that it's for construction, and the well, first let's make it on the same line, or parallel, they never intersect. Okay, yeah, I make it already. So let's do the distance from those, and this 24 again. Okay, so that's good here, and we also gonna need another one for this circle here. I'm gonna go for construction again. I'm gonna see that it's on the same line or parallel. Okay, so they never intersect. Okay, so let's do something like that here. I'm gonna say again that is 24. Okay, with that, and we have it here. So that's pretty much the sketch, I think. See, say that is fully defined, so we should be good. Except we need another. Okay, we need some or other measures here. We also need the holes. Okay, but I'm not sure what is the dimension of those holes. Did they say somewhere? So what is here? I'm not so sure if they say it. So it say the radius of the big circle here, but the interior I don't see it. That's true. Oh, okay, so I have it for the first one, for the big one is 39 here. The diameter, okay, so let's mark that first. Okay, just make it big so we don't care about the, and I'm gonna say is oh, I forgot, it's 39. Okay. 39. Okay, so we also know that, but we need the dimension of those three circles. Okay. So pum. I'm not so sure what is. I think is here is 6, I believe. Not so sure. So I say that distance between here and here. Well, I'm not so sure exactly what is the radius of this of those holes. Probably 6, but I don't think it says 6. But I also have a little image here. I found it on the internet, so it's just an image practice around here. Yeah, we're gonna try some values, but well, we're gonna make something that we think that is good, okay? But also we need those features here, okay? So let's make also those things here, okay? So I'm gonna say that I'm gonna make one circle here with a radius of 13 by 5, okay, 30.5. So let's do that. So I'm gonna say okay here 1, and say that this 30 by 5.5, okay, divided by 2. Okay, so that is that here, and we know that we have 3 of those, okay, and I believe that, okay, one here and one other one here. Okay, so all of those have the same dimension. Okay, so let's make another circle here and another one here, and we're gonna say that all of those 3 are equals, okay, are equal, and we need the dimension here, okay, so the first one, okay, I need the dimension of this one, of this line here, which is well, I don't have it on a sketch here. Well, let's try. I think it's 4 from here to here. Okay, so let's make it. I'm gonna say something like that, and I'm gonna say from here to here. Well, I believe that I need to hold shift on this, so let's try from the top to this. Okay, so you hold shift in place here, and you click the first one and then the second one, okay, and you measure the top to the top, okay. So I believe that this distance is 4. Okay, so we have this circle here, okay. Okay, so let's make the lines, okay. We also know that those lines are on the same well, we're gonna see in a moment. So let's make a line here, and I'm gonna say from this one here. Well, you see that we have it's not a problem. Just look at the line here. I don't want to do something like that, okay. So I want to be just straight out until it hits this one. So I don't want any relationship, okay. So just a line that is pointing from this circle to this one, okay? And we know that this one and this one are on the same line, okay? So it's parallel. Okay. And we know also the distance from here to here, which is 4, I believe. Okay, so that's one here, and we have a few more to do here. The second one is from here. Well, again, the same problem. We don't want a line to be tangent of that on that circle, okay? On this circle, so we just want a line that starts from here and it's pointing on this circle here, and we know that this parallel, okay, with this one, and the distance is 4, okay. So let's keep that in mind here. Okay, so we also need those one here. Let me take a look here. Okay, I'm gonna try. I think, yeah, I'm in the good direction. I'm not so sure, but not so sure. Yep, hopefully that we are good here. Okay, so it's like that, yeah. I hope it's good. So let's continue with the next one, which is from here to here, and from here again to here. Don't want any relationship, okay? So we make those parallel, and this one and this one, and the distance is 4, okay? Hold that thing, and I'm gonna say again 4 here. Okay, and let's make the next one. Again, it starts from this to that one, and the oops, I'm out of sketch here. No, one more time, normal too. Come on. Okay. Okay. So let's make another line here. From this one to this one. Okay. And we know this one and this one is parallel. Okay, and this one are parallel with the distance of 4. Okay, so here and here is 4. Okay, with that. Okay, so we are good here. Okay, so let's begin to cut some things here. But I'm not so sure if I got this right here. Yeah, we're gonna see. So let's make some cut here. We need a big circle here. Well, this the second one. Okay. So we're gonna need to cut this one We also don't need this or this. I'm gonna do undo here, and okay, so let's delete that thing here. Oh, well, delete all of that. We don't want that thing to happen, so we need to cut those like that. And we're probably gonna need the distance again. Okay, so yeah, we gonna begin to cut those. Again, we don't need that. Don't need this one, and this one, and this one, and oops, let me undo here. Okay, so let's get rid of those lines. We don't need that, that, that one, and this one. And we're gonna select it, this one, and this one. I'm gonna make them equal. Okay, so it's again fully defined. Okay, so that's one here. We also need some cuts here. Okay, so let's do it like so. I don't need that. I have a problem here, but you're gonna see what we're gonna do here. Don't need this one. Okay, so here seems to be good, apparently. Okay, so I have a problems here. Yep, not so sure exactly what is happening. So distance is 4, okay. Well, not so sure. Not so sure. Okay, so let's continue with the cut here. We don't need this or that. Also don't need this one. And this one. Okay. So we got that here. And let's see one more time. Not so sure why I have that. That seems to be good. Good here. What I'm gonna do? Well, probably if we make the corner a radius of 2, here probably we don't gonna have that. Well, again, probably this is not a complete It's not a complete drawing. Not so sure. Well, we're gonna try it like that. So let's make those corners. I believe that those are a radius of 2. Okay. So with I believe that there is a tool that does that for me. Not sure exactly. Let me pause for a second. Okay, so the tool is this one. Well, you probably know it. Sketch fillet. Okay. So we're gonna select 2. I'm gonna say that dimension of 2. Okay, so that's 1. So I need 1 here and 1 here. Okay, so here the same problem. We're gonna come back to it later. Let's select again. This is causing some problems here. Coincident of that, I'm gonna delete that. Make it something like that. and oh. Yeah, again, I don't know the dimension here of this one. Oh. I have noticed that it's a dimension from this line here to the top of the circle is, so this one here from here to here is 3, I believe. Okay, so not so sure it's 3 degrees or, but not really. I think it's 3 units anyway. It's so small, and I think it's 3. It looked like 3 degrees, but it doesn't make sense. Okay, on that. But again, I have problems here with this one. So what I can do? Yep, very limited here. Well, I can continue with my own dimension, but I'm not so sure what exactly to do. To keep an eye on those dimensions here, but I don't have it. So from here to here, those are equal. That's good here, that's good here. That's good here. Um, let's delete that here and see what we can do. I'm not so sure if we can make. Let's try. Let's try some fillets here, but not sure if it will work. Let's try a fillet from this one, okay, this one and this one. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna say okay to that, and we got the problem here. Let me undo because we need to cut from here to here. Okay, so let's make a simple line here, just for the hell of it, and let's cut that thing here and this one also. Okay, so let's do again that fillet from this one to this one. Okay, this one to this one, and as you can see, what is this one? I'm gonna say yes to that. Pum pum pum. Also need from here to here, here to here, here to here. So I'm gonna say okay to that, and we have it more or less. Not so sure if it's the same. Well, I'm gonna live with that. Okay, so let's see. Say fully defined. Okay, fully defined, but we also miss those three circles, which I know those three are equal. And oops, I didn't want to do that. So just make big circle with no relation. Okay. So we're gonna say that those three are equals, and I'm gonna say that this distance from here to here is, I believe we say is 3. Okay. So let's go to the measure tools, and I'm gonna go with the shift from here to here, and I'm gonna say that is 3. Okay, and let's see, did I miss something? Yes, I missed something. I also missed the fillet, of course. So let's go to the history. I believe, where's the history? No, annotation, no. Where is that thing? Do I have a history? Not so sure. Yeah, probably we have a history for this sketch. But anyway, let's just make here to here again. Yes. Yep. I'm gonna say okay to that. Yep. Yep. Let's make those corners here. here to here, come on. Okay, let's make so that to this one. Well, it doesn't work. Let's do it again. Okay, so that is that here, and yeah, we probably can have one fillet of all of those because all of those corners are uh, the radius of so. Okay, so I mess around here a little bit, but doesn't matter. We have the geometry, which is probably not the most efficient way to do it, but well, I can do it. So let's move to some extrusion here. So I'm gonna say an extrusion of 30, okay? 30 and 10 here. So let's make those. And sketch one, I'm gonna go to feature extrude selected contours, okay? So I'm gonna select pom, 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 pom. Okay, so we need this one. I'm gonna go to the mid plane. I'm gonna see that it's 30, and I'm gonna say okay to that. And come on, okay. And we also gonna need a select the sketch, okay, and gonna say those ones are mid plane of 10, okay. So let's say okay to that. And we also need, do you have perspective here? Okay. Now it's better. So we have that geometry here now. We also made some features here. We need the radius of 2, okay, so let's apply that. I'm gonna say the fillet, and I'm gonna say 2, and item to the fillet. I'm gonna say this one, this, okay. Here another one, and one more here. So I'm gonna say okay to that. And there you have it. That's the geometry. Really nice geometry. Isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, so yep, that's pretty much it with the geometry here. Okay, so yep, that's pretty much it with this geometry here. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, and if you have questions, just submit those. What do you think? I can make some drafting here? Okay, so do you want to see maybe how do I do the sketch of those, okay, how to draft those. It's pretty simple. The SolidWorks has a pretty good drafting system here in it, okay. So that was only the model of this piece, okay. So if you want to see me uh, if you want to see me that I make a draft, okay, of this piece, just leave comments here on YouTube, and I'm gonna make a video with how to draft this thing, okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a good day, and thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice piece now. Okay, so have a good day.